All right, so based on our notes, we got to create a boundary at least 5 feet outside our construction limits for topsoil stripping. So I'm just going to use the CAD tab, and I'm just going to offset. In this case, I'm going to offset just this boundary line, so I'm going to call it topsoil. You can see I already have a layer here called topsoil stripping, so I created that already. If you don't have it, hit spacebar, and you'll come down here and create a new layer. And you see here I just used topsoil stripping, put it on proposed 3D, and protected it. Okay, so I'll make sure that I put that on that layer. I'm going to pick the line that I want to offset, which would be this line here. The distance is going to be 5 feet, and I want to make sure that I go to the outside. Don't have to do a vertical offset. I'm just going to click apply. All right, now I can come in here and close this, and I can edit this guy to bring it down into actually where I'm maybe stripping. So I'm not going to strip out into the road, and I don't want think that the original surface out there is road. So I can come in here and do this. Now I'm grip editing it, but what I'm going to do now over here is I'm going to right click and edit, and you can see I got a bunch of these points. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to take this back to that existing sidewalk. So I'm going to start there and hit delete and just start deleting these lines. Oops, went too far. Looks like that's my starting point there. So what I'm going to do here is just get to there. Went too far. I'm going to Control Z to get that one back, and Control Z to get that one back. Let's do one more, and then I'll click auto close, close this, and I'm just going to drag this guy down over into here, giving me a little bit more realistic boundary. Okay, so that's the topsoil boundary. Now that I've got that set, now I can come up here, go to Takeoff, define topsoil, enter my 6 inches that my notes call for, define the topsoil material. I'm going to select the line. I'm going to select the boundary line. And you can do more than one, so if you've got other areas of stripping, you can add multiple lines. So I'm just going to click and add that line there. Okay. It's showing me I've got 2 total. I messed one up earlier, so that's why I'm showing 2. But I deleted it, so it shouldn't apply. I'm going to close this, and now the next stage I will talk about putting in the site improvements for my paving areas.